Hi everyone, this is Bob from Return Machinery. Welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to showcase our CNC tube integrated machine. This machine mainly equipped with copper tube automatic straightening, cutting, front side end forming and back side end forming. Final step is with the CNC 3D bending. On this machine, we equipped with tube size 3/8, that means 9.52 millimeter. Many customers will ask me if one machine can be bending, can use different tube size. Our answer is yes. So different tube size can be processing by changing the tooling on the machine. Okay, next let me showcase how this machine operation. In our touch screen, different language can be selected. It's for easy operation in different countries. And this is the main page, first page of touch screen. Okay, and different product bending data can be saved, recorded in our touch screen in our system. Okay, now I just choose one of the product data. For example, so now let's make the automatic processing. Make the initial. Now machine is ready for start. It's ready for start now. Let's start. Tube is a tubeless automatic cutting. CNC tube bending. The oil which you're seeing on is spraying now, it is evaporative oil. So now the speed is only 30%. We can make the machine working more fast by add the speed percent. Now it's 70%. You will see machine running more quickly. This is the material with I2 Sky.